Today, we celebrate Earth Day and recognise the ongoing role our company and industry play in lowering emissions, improving energy efficiency, and advancing clean energy development. We are doing all of this while producing reliable and affordable oil and gas that the world needs. For Halliburton, environmental, economic, and social issues are critical to our success. And we know moving to a lower carbon energy future is essential. We are mitigating the impacts of climate change through innovation and collaboration. Here are a few ways how. Halliburton Labs is our commitment to the science and continued evolution of sustainable, reliable energy. We are developing products and services that help customers reduce environmental impacts throughout the asset lifecycle and minimize greenhouse gas emissions. We also work with suppliers to decrease environmental impacts of their operations and reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. We have set a science-based target of a 40% reduction by 2035 from our 2018 baseline, and are working to reduce the energy consumption of our facilities, our equipment, and our fleet. We know that it will take the support of all of our Halliburton employees to achieve these targets. On Earth Day, we ask you to look at your daily activities and think about where you can make changes to reduce energy use. I hope you'll join us as we celebrate Earth Day today and every day.